Good morning, scholars. So today for math, we are going to continue to work on subtraction and the number 9. And I'm also going to show you the 5-way drawing so that we can challenge ourselves to quickly look at a picture and solve a number sentence. So go ahead and grab your scratch piece of paper and let's get started. So follow along while I read the problem. Lisbeth had 9 bracelets. 3 of the bracelets were blue and the rest were purple. How many are purple? So remember, scholars, I told you that I was going to teach you the 5-way drawing method when drawing pictures to represent our problem. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what that looks like. So for the 5-way drawing, I'm going to draw our 9 bracelets. Let me make sure I have ink. So I'm going to make sure I draw the 9 bracelets. So let's go ahead and go. I'm going to draw vertical so I have more space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the 5-way drawing, how it works is I drew all 9, but I'm going to color the first 5. Four, 5. That way I can quickly see that 5 and 4 more make 9. So I can quickly see 5 because I know in the 5-way drawing I color 5. And I can count 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's just a little bit a quicker way to make a drawing and help your brain tell and solve problems. So the rest of our problem, it says 3 of the bracelets are blue and the rest are purple. So I'm going to take a blue marker and I'm actually going to circle the 3 that are blue. So now that I've circled the 3 that are blue, I can look and see how many are purple. So let's go ahead and count, switch to black, just so we don't get tricked. So I'm going to label 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I see that 6 are purple. Now, I also want to, we worked really hard yesterday on number bonds. So let's go ahead and continue to complete a number bond for our problems. So remember, our big circle represents our total number of bracelets. So in the problem, it says Lisbeth had 9 bracelets. And I already drew my 5-way to see that 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I know that in my big circle, I need to draw or write the number 9. And it says 3 of the bracelets were blue and the rest were purple. So I can also look at my 5-way drawing and see that I circled my blue bracelets. 1, 2, 3. So my blue bracelets are going to go in the first circle, so 3. And then my second circle is going to represent the number of purple bracelets. And I already labeled that in my picture, so I can just fill in 6. Now let's complete a number sentence. Now remember, we've been working a lot on subtraction, so you guys should already know the number that goes first. So go ahead and fill in the first number and then come back and check your work. Get ready. 9. And I filled in 9 because 9 is our total. And remember, in subtraction, we always begin with our total or our biggest number. So 9 minus. Now, looking at this number, I need to make sure I'm filling in the correct number. The question is asking how many are purple. So I need that number, our last number, to tell us how many are purple. So I know that 3 goes here because I know 3 are blue. So 9 minus 3 equals 6. So 6 bracelets are purple. 9 minus 3 equals 6. Okay, go ahead and make sure that your problem is correct, and then we're going to go on to the next problem, and I'm going to challenge you to try the five-way drawing on your own. Latavion had 9 rocks. 4 were brown, and the rest were white. How many were white? So go ahead and pause the video and complete a 5-way drawing on your own, and then come back and double check your work. Okay, so now that you completed the 5-way drawing on your own, I'm going to show you what my 5-way drawing looks like and what yours should too. So it says Latavion had 9 rocks. So I'm drawing 9 total circles. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now my 5-way drawing, you always color in the 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now I can see 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4 give me 9. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now that I have my 5-way drawing, it tells me 4 were brown and the rest were white. So I'm going to circle 4 of my circles brown. So 1, 2, 3, 4 were brown and the rest were white. The question is asking, how many are white? So let's go ahead and label, change it so we don't get tricked, the rest of our drawing that represents white rocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I can see that 4 are brown and 5 are white. Now it's time to pause the video and complete your number bond, then come back and double check your work. Okay, so now that your number bond is completed, let's go ahead and check. So our first circle, the biggest, represents our total. So our total is 9 rocks. Latavion had 9 rocks. And our first circle, our first smaller circle, will tell us the number of brown rocks. So 4, because he has 4 brown rocks. And then the last circle, or the last smallest circle, is 5, because I know that he has 5 white circles. So let's go ahead and complete our number sentence. So again, just like we've been doing, subtraction always starts with our biggest number or our total. So I know that 9 goes right here. Minus blank equals blank. So again, the question's asking how many are white. So our equals needs to equal white. So 9 minus, I have 4 brown and 5 white. So 9 minus 4 equals 5. 9 minus 4 equals 5. Okay, let's go on to the next problem. Terry had 9 apples. 7 apples were green and the rest were red. How many are red? Let's go ahead and draw your 5-way drawing. And while you're at it, go ahead and complete your number bond and then come back and double check all of your work. So again, now that you guys finished the problem on your own, we're going to double check our work. I'm going to begin my 5-way drawing. So 1, and I'm drawing 9 circles because Terry had 9 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Remember, I need to color in the first 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here in my 5-way drawing, I see 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or 5 and 4 more make 9. Now it says that 7 apples were green. So let's go ahead and circle our 7 green apples. So I have my 5, 6, 7. I'm going to circle my 7 apples. And the rest were red. So I'm going to label the rest. 1, 2. Now for your number bond, you are going to fill in, or you should have already filled in your number bond and you're now just double checking. So I have 9 as my total, 7 green apples, and 2 red. Now our number sentence, remember, it's our total is our first number, 9, minus, and it's asking for how many are red. So again, I need to make sure that this number right here represents the number of red apples. So 9 minus, he had 7 green apples and 2 red. So 9 minus 7 equals 2. Again, 9 minus 7 equals 2. So scholars, now it is time to complete our exit ticket. Go ahead and pause right here and complete it on your own, and then come back when you're ready to double check that you guys got the correct answer. So our exit ticket is asking, choose the missing number. 5 minus 0 equals blank. So here, I'm going to start with my picture. I'm going to draw my 5 circles, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it says 5 minus 0. So if it says 0, I know that I am not crossing any of these out. So I can quickly label to get my answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here, 5 minus 0 equals 5. Or let's look at our answer, 6, 0, 4, 5. Way to go, guys, today, and working so hard. Remember to do the flashcards. They are linked down below, and I will see you all later. Have a wonderful day.